I am so happy I've never gotten my curls to look like this, partially because this is a half wig. Step one, get you a half wig. I have worn this wig a couple times before and it just got really big after it dried, so I'm like, how can we make this be a little bit more tame? Blend in a little bit more with my hair. I mean, how can you blend in even more from this picture? But I found the trick, which is a lot of gel, really. Honestly, I don't know what this brush is called, but I use this brush when I want the curls to be a little bit more elongated, and then a diamond brush when I want like juicy, coily. But this brush really gets them to look juicified, if that's a word. If not, I just coined the phrase. Now, if anything, this is the part where I really changed up what I did with my little Jerry curl in the front. 3 things. Fire round edition. Making sure my hair is saturated with water. Making sure my hair has a lot of product in it. Not too much, but not too little. And lastly, using my diamond brush to combine my hair with the weave. I've really become bored with my hair, so I'm just picking up accessories as I see them. First was the hair clips, and now is this headband from like the early 2000s. I love it. It just adds a little bit of flair, makes me look a little bit cool, like I tried a little bit harder than I did. But I'm not gonna say you a false dream. It is quite annoying to put on because it snaps on, snaps off, and then it gets stuck in your hair, but it's worth it in the end. After much trial and error with this hairstyle, I found that putting Nairobi foam on top of my hair really helps it blend with the weave, and then also it helps it not dry as stiff and crunchy, because that could be quite embarrassing. We all know after that scarf lay down, we see perfection, and yes, everybody and their mama think this is my real hair.